If you've been searching for the best H ASCP practice exam, this video is going to be a game changer. Most students believe any question bank is enough, but that's not true. The wrong practice exam can give false confidence and cost you a passing score. Today, I'll break down the 3 best H ASCP practice exam resources that actually replicate the pressure, difficulty, and style of the real test day. We'll compare them head-to-head, review strengths and weaknesses, and I'll show you what to expect from each. And yes, we'll look at MLSIAcademy, one of the most complete prep solutions available. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to focus your exam prep. Let's get started. Number 3. MLSIAcademy H ASCP Practice Exam. MLSIAcademy provides affordable practice test books. Their main strength is accessibility and simple explanations. The questions are clear but sometimes too simplified. Many students report easier wording than ASCP's real phrasing. Explanations emphasize test-taking strategies more than applied laboratory knowledge. Good for beginners, but not fully realistic. Number 2. Exam Edge H ASCP Practice Exams. Exam Edge offers multiple online test sets. They provide detailed score reports to highlight weak areas. You can practice in timed or untimed modes. The platform simulates exam navigation fairly well. However, some question content feels repetitive across tests. Their questions often test recall more than applied reasoning. Solid option for practicing timing under exam conditions. Number 1. MLSI H ASCP Practice Exam from MLSIAcademy. MLSIAcademy offers the most comprehensive preparation system. It combines live online classes with expert instructors. Every session is recorded, giving flexible replays anytime. You get a no-fluff study guide for structured review. A customized study plan helps map your daily schedule. It includes a step-by-step ASCP exam action strategy. Most importantly, MLSIAcademy offers 4 integrated question banks. These include Q and ANTH, drills, quizzes, full practice exams, and high-pressure mock exams. The mock exams replicate real test day stress levels. Questions are written to the same style and difficulty as ASCP. This combination builds both knowledge and real test endurance. Because of this, MLSIAcademy is the most complete option for serious candidates. Let's quickly recap. The best H ASCP practice exam options aren't created equal. MLSIAcademy is simple and beginner-friendly, but not as realistic. Exam Edge focuses on time simulations, but overuses repetitive recall. MLSIAcademy stands out with live teaching, structured plans, targeted guides, and the most advanced question banks. When choosing an H ASCP practice exam, pick the resource that builds both knowledge and readiness for exam day stress. That's why MLSIAcademy remains the #1 recommendation. If you found this helpful, you'll love the next video in this series. We'll break down how to use an H ASCP mock exam for maximum retention and confidence. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below with the practice exams you've tried. And remember, preparation is strategy, not chance, and choosing the right H ASCP practice exam makes all the difference.